Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site gigabyte.com, this officially website, so you can download driver. After that you can see this is right hand side search icons. So click on in this icon and then enter the model number of motherboard AORUS RTX 3090 XTREME WATERFORCE 24G. Then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on the website. After that click on the product and click on name of graphic card. Then click on the support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So all operating system installations process same. Okay, and this is your driver and click to download. So download and installations process same. You can so see this video and install any other operating system driver. After that click on download icons, you can see here, and it is downloading. So when it is completed, then click on three dot. After that click on this download icon, so it will open this. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.